Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand one more important function that I use day in, day out when I am cleaning my data to remove unnecessary characters or spaces within my text. The first one to start up is the left function. So it is denoted by left as the keyword. Yeah. And the syntax for it is left, you have this open brackets, then you have to select the text that you want to get the characters from, and we have to enter the number of characters. This is again option, characters. So it's a number. I'll just put a number here. Yeah. Which will specify how many characters that you want from the left. Left, when I'm saying left, is from this side. Yeah. From right, it would be this side, which we'll see on the next video. Yeah. So when I'm saying left, so if I'm trying to get characters from the left, it will provide me only those many characters that I specify in the second argument, that is num. Now, there are important points that you need to remember. Yeah, that num is a numeric value. You cannot add a text over here. That's why I specifically wrote a number. It has to be a numeric value and it cannot be less than 0. So if you skip this num while trying to get any characters from the left, by default, it will give you one character. So let's try to see left, open brackets. If I select this and close the bracket without adding the number, it will give me the one character from the left. So it should give me E. Okay, let me add one more character here so that you can understand that it is taking the first character from the left. Yeah. Now, if the second argument is less than 0, so suppose the number is less than 0. So I have this text and I say comma -2. It will give me a value error because I cannot have less than 0 as number in the second argument. So you can see this, it gives me an error. You cannot specify less than 0 because there has to be some number in order to get this particular text, because we are trying to retrieve the text, a particular alphabet or some strings from a given cell or a string that is specified in the text part of the left function. Yeah. Suppose my number that is being specified in num is more than the character length. So suppose I have this, we know the length of this particular text in this cell is 16. Yeah. So if I try to specify left, select this text and specify 17, I say 20. Okay. It will still give me the entire text. See this? So it will give me as many characters which are from the left so that you can see the entire text. Yeah. So the number will not matter if you want to get the entire string from the left, but normally people don't use it. Yeah. So next is you wildcards are not supported in left function. So you cannot use star, yeah, star or percentage sign. Those are wildcard characters. So you do not use it. What you need to look at is, okay, unlike other functions, the left function ignores case differences. So if I have left been run on this particular function, I need this particular cell, and I say 5 characters or 7 characters from left. So it should give me still 20. So it is giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, it is taking space as also a character. 6 and 7 characters from the left. Yeah. So we know how to execute a particular left function. We also understood what are the limitation of X function, or what are the things that you need to check while you are trying to use let function. You can run it for one cell, what we have done till now. I can also run it for my entire range of cells. So what I can do is equal to left. I'll select all my entire cells from start till end. I'll say comma. Yeah, and I suppose say 2 characters. I need 2 characters. Then find here that it has, for date, it has converted it to number, and then it has given me the 2 characters from the left. So from the number, it has given me 2 characters. That is 4, 5. If you remember, if I see here text and I see this, or I say concatenate, and I say this, so I want to just convert it to a text. So that's why I'm just doing it. So 4507, that's the text that has been converted, and it is giving me a value of 45. That is 2 characters from the left. But what I wanted to point to here is I have written this formula only in one cell, but it has automatically got replicated for this entire range. Yeah, hence you are getting this 2 characters of each of this subsequent cells in a column. Yeah, say $2, 20. Yeah, over here, the starting 2 characters are space. That's why it is giving me 2 spaces here. Yeah, same way EY. Here, if I try to edit it, you will find the starting 2 is 20. The currency normally is just a symbol for that particular cell. Again, EY. Yeah, so you need to remember that this particular option that is available can be used for a range of cell through just one formula. So I can write just one formula and apply it across my entire cell range. Yeah, so it can be used in combination with a lot of other functions of text. But yes, for your information as of now, left just retrieves the number of characters that you have specified from the left of a string or a cell reference that you have given. Hope you understood the concept of using a left formula in Excel or for a particular text. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics that are useful for you in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. And yes, that will also motivate me to upload new videos and new formulas altogether. Thank you so much.